What was that package that you got?
It wasn't just me. It was like to the previous person that lived there.
Dang.
Like, I don't know, came back. Left it there to return to see it.
Got you all excited. Present. What kind of games?
So we make our own games.
Ooh.
So I'll show you. I'll give you the tour. I'm back. Do you ask me questions?
Or you can just say it. You just say what you want.
No, get back in here. We're back together.
We're back! Yay! So why are you here? Tell the good people.
So I work for a company called Blue Goji. I'm the marketing director, and we are doing a mobile showroom because we have cardio bikes that are for your brain health and your physical health. So the way that they're different is they're gaming bicycles.
They got games?
They got video games on them. So when you do a cognitive task like gaming and then a physical task, cardio, it actually helps promote neurogenesis and neuroplasticity, which is basically your brain's way to think better and sharper. So you're working on your physical health and your brain health, and we need a way to take the bikes around and show people what they are, because you really can't get the experience talking about it. You gotta like hop on and play the video game, which Brett just did.
And it's exhausting.
It's a
tiresome.
workout.
Yeah.
You get like more of a workout in a shorter amount of time because you kind of forget you're working out. You're just like playing to the video game.
Yeah.
And so you push yourself harder than you typically would.
Yeah. I'm excited to try it out while it's here.
Yeah, so we're gonna have like 2 bikes in here.
Shoot, we got this thing ready.
Yeah.
We got 1 week?
Yeah.
Oh! God damn it, Noella. Alright, now that we have our cabinets built, I can put them around the brand new Dometic fridge that we just got in and start figuring out how this face frame is going to work, because we got different levels to this cabinet. You know, one side's a little bit shorter, we got the fridge in the middle. How's this face frame going on? So, yeah. I got a little carried away. I got to get back and I got to put the doors and drawers and everything on to the van that we're redoing all the cabinetry for. So we got to jump and do that real quick. Don't want to get ahead of ourselves here, all right? We got to stay focused, all right? Now that I have all the cabinets done, I can start making the doors, all right? So we got this thing in paint right now. So once it's out, we'll be ready to put it all in there. So I wanna have the doors and I wanna have all the drawers ready. So I'm gonna start with the doors. And we're doing 1/2 inch overlay for these doors. So what that means is basically you're just gonna measure the inside of your opening, and then you are going to add 1 to it, 1 inch to it. So then on either side, you're gonna have a 1/2 inch. That's just folding right over there. So I've definitely done it before where I will measure these, get that inside number, and then I will cut that, and then it doesn't work. So double check there. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, is cutting all these up a 1/2 inch bigger than that opening. All right. So I just cut all these doors and I looked and I didn't hit record, but here they are. Cut them up. Like I said, they're all a 1/2 inch bigger on each side, so 1 inch total. So you get that 1/2 inch overlay. Now I get to do my least favorite thing of all time, and that is putting on this edge banding, all right? And if you're not familiar with edge banding, it's terrible to do. Unless you have a robot that can do it, which I do not have a robot. I am the robot today. And basically it's just this thin, stiff, and that goes around the plywood edge so that it makes it not look like plywood, makes it look like a solid door. All right, so that's what I'm doing. Cut it up, use the iron, and then it sticks to it, and then you paint it, sand it. So let's do it. All right, so. Bobby! She hates. Hey! 1 second. Bobby! Hey! Bobby! Sorry, kids, you know, kids. These dogs just don't want to listen. So yeah, just give it a cut there. You can cut all yours out first if you want. Makes it go a little faster when you do that, I think. I don't know. It's still a slow process no matter what. But this is what we call building vans by hand. Handmade vans. Ain't that the truth, baby? We touch about every single part of your van. Every single part. Just about every part of the inside and the build. Not like, we're not tinkering too much, you know? Making that thing a little time machine. That's not really what we're about. No, we're about this. About this, baby. And boom, this on, heat up that adhesive. Oh yeah, yummy. This is what it's all about. Never thought I'd be using an iron in a shop when I first started being in the shop, but then you use an iron. I've ironed more wood than I have clothes. Can you believe that? Bet you can't. You say, Brett, oh my gosh, how is that true? All of your clothes are so clean and crisp. What the heck? Give that thing a little push on the table, make sure it's all in there. Nice. You want to look around for any parts on the edge that didn't really get glued. And you let that sit and you hit the other side. Oh yeah. Oh, chicka bow. You dogs chilling out? Press. Yeah. Make sure it's all good. Oh, that's hot. Don't forget it. It's hot. See? Didn't get a good part right there. Dial it in. Dial, brother. All right. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you guys with watching me do all this, but I will show you where the frustration starts if you don't mind. All right, so we got our thing here. I like to keep it on this just to keep it off gouging things up, but this is where you could gouge up. You're gonna take your blade and you're gonna run it, trim that off. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh yeah. So, looks all right. A lot of imperfections that you have on this part you can fix with wood filler or Bondo or sanding it up. But yeah, so that's what you do all the way around all these boards. So, there you go. Little tidbit there. Yeah.